I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Metro card. First, you can get a Metro card at any subway station or from authorized retailers. Look for the vending machines inside the stations. They are quite easy to spot. These machines accept various payment methods, including cash, credit cards, and debit cards, making the purchase process very convenient. You can either buy a brand new card or simply add more value to one you already own. It's a straightforward process. Now let's talk about the different types of Metro cards available. The most common is the regular Metro card, which you can load with money for individual rides or purchase an unlimited pass. There are also reduced fare Metro cards for eligible seniors and individuals with disabilities, offering a discounted rate. If you only need to travel once, a single ride ticket is an option, costing $3 for one trip. Choose the type that best fits your travel needs. Once you have your Metro card, you'll need to add value or time to it. For pay-per-ride, you can add any amount, but the minimum initial purchase is $5.50. This covers 2 full rides. If you plan to travel frequently, consider an unlimited pass, available for 7-day or 30-day periods. Remember, each individual subway or bus ride costs $2.90, so plan your purchase accordingly for the best value. Using your Metro card is simple. When entering the subway, just swipe your card through the turnstile reader. For buses, you'll tap your card on the fare box located near the driver. Always make sure your card has enough balance for your trip to avoid any delays. It's a good idea to keep your Metro card in a safe place, as you can easily refill it for future use, making your daily commute smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.